Okay, video for TurnTable preview with Playblast. Okay, first you need a default camera, which is maybe hiding behind the object. You can resize. Okay, check the preview. You can choose between this for preview. Let's see front view, and then from panel menu switch to camera 1, because the name of the camera there you just create is camera 1. Okay, and then readjust the view. Okay, I think I have to rotate a bit. Okay, and don't forget to activate the resolution gate, so you will know the area that will be shown on the preview. Okay, next you need to locator. Okay, set the upside so you can see clearly, and then select the camera and then select the locator, and then you have do parenting on edit menu bar and set parent. Okay, if you do right, you can select the locator and rotate it on y-axis. It's gonna be like this if you whatever you do is right. Okay, I set back to normal. I think I will set a bit rotation from the start, so I will look like dynamic, look like this. Okay, I will activate the wireframe on shape. Okay, and then we need to animate the camera from the locator as a parent. Before we animate, we have to set the first of the preview to 0 at frame, and then the end of the preview is will be gonna be 720, set to 720. Okay, before we going to the animate the TurnTable, set to 0, and then go to rotate Y, set to 0 from the start of the animation. Okay, right click, key selected, and then go to 720, and then set to 360 degree, and then select right click and key selected. Okay, the animation done. Okay, and then you can check on the camera preview, set to 0 and try to play back. Okay, quite slow. In total 220 total frames. So why 7 to 20? Because with this speed you can see clearly. May you have detail on your object model. Okay, back to 0. One thing that to fix up before Playblast preview is the curve animation function curve. You can go to the graph editor. Okay. Oh, like this. Okay, and then switch to perspective. Select the locator. Select the first keyframe and then hold Shift, select the second keyframe. Okay, or you can select by using rectangle selection, and then you have to click this one, the linear tangent for the animation. So after this you have linear function curve on the animation, the TurnTable animation. So you don't actually you don't have is in is out, slow in slow out within the animation. So finally you can see without slow in the end, speed up on the first of the animation. Okay, let's check final animation. Okay, I will go forward in frame 600. See, in the end, okay, will smoothly the function curve. Okay, and then collapse the graph editor. Switch to switch to switch to the camera one, perspective camera one. Okay, then last thing, just set Playblast preview, go to the option. Okay, that's it. AVI encoding, you can choose whatever, like MSYUV. Okay, scale full without frame padding from Windows. Okay, remove temporary file. Okay, save to file. Just click. Okay. Wait a moment. Okay, the file will be stored on the your project file at movie folder. Just set the name. Okay, let's say the Franzu vehicle for glass project that you have to submit next week. Okay, your name, and then .avi. Okay, movie file, save, and okay, good. Playblast. Oh, check the format. YUV. I think it's all good. Okay, I will use YUV codec. Quality 100% from Windows. Oh, sorry. No, not from Windows. Asset custom. Okay, I will set to 124 and 720, scale from 1. Okay, and then Playblast. Override, yes, override, and then we will make the preview. We just wait. It's just a few minutes. almost done. Okay, finally. After this, you can see the preview. The windows will be solved whatever you made in the playblast. Okay. Just wait. Okay, this one. Okay, that's all. Done.